OrCAD X Capture enables a connection to new cloud capabilities, including shared workspaces, file management, and library management. To accommodate company requirements and preferences, cloud functionality is optional and must be configured to enable or disable cloud capabilities in OrCAD X. This quick how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to enable and disable cloud capabilities in OrCAD X Capture. Begin by opening OrCAD X Capture. By default, OrCAD X Capture tries to connect to the cloud. If you are not connected to the cloud, you will receive an error message upon launching the tool. If cloud capabilities and functionality are not desired in your design process, you may receive this error every time the software is launched. To remove this error upon launch, you will need to disable cloud capabilities. To do so, select Options, Extended Preferences, and choose Cloud. Deselect the checkbox for Connect to Cloud on application launch. If this option is not available, make sure you are on the latest release and installation of OrCAD X. To do this, you can activate the Download Manager and locate OrCAD X and Allegro X on the list of installed products. Click Apply. OrCAD X Capture will no longer try to connect to the cloud upon launch, and you will no longer receive an error. If you would like to enable the cloud capabilities of OrCAD X Capture, reselect the checkbox for Connect to Cloud on application launch. Then select Apply and OK. Easily enable or disable cloud capabilities to fit your needs and company preferences with OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.